Hi, Attorney Joe Giamanco with Giamanco Law Partners, a Bolingbrook, Illinois, and New Lenox-based law firm. I wanted to give a quick video today to discuss an executive order signed by Governor J.B. Pritzker here in Illinois just last week on April 23rd, 2020. It didn't come to our attention until today, but it's something that we think is very important, especially for anyone who is a renter, either renter of residential property or even commercial property. This executive order, and there's been a series of them, this one is 2020-30, released on April 23rd, 2020, covers a few different things, but the key language here that we're focused on are the parts that have to do with evictions of both residential and commercial property. The relevant section essentially says that no person or entity can commence a residential eviction action unless the tenant poses a direct threat to health, safety of other tenants, immediate severe risk to property, or has a violation of building code, health ordinance, or something similar. In other words, if you are only looking at past due rent, don't try to file an eviction case right now. If someone has filed an eviction case against you right now, or they're going to, you're going to get a bit of a reprieve. This is terrible news for landlords. It's fantastic news for renters. It means that people are going to be staying in their homes for a longer period of time. It means that landlords are going to have to figure out what to do without that rent for the time being. It's not going to stop rent from needing to be collected. It's not going to mean that renters are not going to owe the money. It's not going to mean that landlords aren't going to have the right to collect it. What it does mean is that the legal process that you normally have available to kick a tenant out because they haven't paid rent is going to be on hold. That's a problem for any landlord, obviously. The section 3 of the same order goes on to talk about the enforcement of actions for non-residential premises, and it specifically notes the same kind of prohibition. They can't enforce eviction orders for the time being unless they are matters that affect health, safety, risk to property, those kinds of things. In other words, if you have a commercial property that a person owes rent on, or you are a tenant and you owe rent, for the time being, you're not going to get evicted or should not get evicted because there's past due rent. Our advice to both landlords and to tenants that are in this situation, first and foremost, is try to work things out, try to get the rent paid, try to collect the rent. If you can't do that as we get through this crisis, then we suggest that you do contact an attorney. Our office does handle some eviction matters, both for residents as well as for businesses, and landlords would be happy to give you any kind of advice that we can give over the phone or via video conference. We do phone conferences at initial ones at no cost, so feel free to give us a call at either 630-635-5555 or at 815-435-5555. You can contact us via email at attorney@glawpartners.com, or you can check out our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/Giamanco Law, which is GIAMANCOLAW. Our website is glawpartners.com. We can give you some additional information through any of those sources if we can help you at all. I would say this for landlords. This doesn't mean that you're going to have to sit indefinitely. It does mean you're going to have to wait. I strongly encourage people to try to work things out to stay afloat, both as landlords and to keep people in their properties for the time being. If you are a landlord and a person's not paying rent and they're not working with you, then we strongly suggest that you contact an attorney and discuss a procedure and a plan for when the courts basically reopen and these emergency orders are no longer in effect. But for now, you're going to have to wait. So as we all try to work through this process, hopefully there are some people that will find relief from this, and those who are inconvenienced or face a financial hardship, hopefully it won't be that bad. For the time being, if we can be of assistance, please give us a call, let us know. Again, our phone number is 630-635-5555 or 815-435-5555. Good look out there, and if you can, stay home and stay safe. Thanks.